How to make a house rental website with WordPress. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a house rental website with WordPress. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on WordPress, you could also click the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to this wordpress.com and kindly sign in your account in here. Then you will be directed on this page and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating, including My Home, Upgrades, your posts, media, comments, feedback, and many more. But to start creating here a house rental website, you can start clicking the new button on the top left corner in here. Then proceed by clicking this page option. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page right here. And from here, it will show you on this pop-up window what you can add to a page. And I'm just going to choose a blank page in here. By clicking this button, you will be directed on this page and it will show you on the left side panel the editing tools such as blocks, patterns, and you could also start adding here the title. For example, I'm going to enter here the title, House Rental. Or at this point, I'm just going to add the first one, Piece House Rental. Then below, you could also type a description or choose the block on the left side panel. We can add here a paragraph, heading, quote if you want to. Or alternatively, you could also click the plus button in here to start adding a block that you prefer. So for example, from here, I'm just going to enter a quote and enter here the kind of quote that you prefer. As you can see, I just enter find your piece with the right home. Then below here, we can start adding another block or elements in here, such as images and other media files that will help us to start creating our own website on WordPress. Now by clicking this image button, it will show us where we can start uploading, selecting images on our phone, generate with AI, Google Photos, and even using these free photos from Pexels. By clicking this one, all you need to do is simply go to the search bar in here and kindly search for a kind of photo. For example, I'm going to enter house. Then just select here the kind of photo that you prefer and click the select button in here. But at this point, I'm just going to select on the search bar house for rent. Then proceed here by clicking on the search bar result the media files in here. Then click the select button, and after that, you'll now be able to see here that it is now currently being inserted in here. And now that it is added, we could also do the same process of adding an image or gallery at this point. So just do the same process of uploading or selecting images in here. Or alternatively, you could also navigate on the left side panel some of the options that you prefer. Now by doing the same process in here of selecting a media for free, and just go to the search bar to look for a specific house image in here. I'm just going to select a multiple option or result of these images and select it in here. After inserting it, you'll now be able to see here the result of it. Now as you can see, we have now successfully added here a media files, but you could also add more elements if you want to. But at this point, I'm just going to make it simple. And now I'm going to proceed to add a button by simply dragging it in here. Successfully adding a button. And for this text, I'm going to enter here, book now, since we're creating here a house rental website. And by clicking this button, you could also customize the button style in here, the color, the font style, the font size, and many more. And you can add here multiple buttons if you want to. However, at this point, I'm just going to select here this one. And by double clicking on it, you can simply highlight this one and click the link section where we can input our link in here. And since I'm only using here a free plan from WordPress, I'm going to use the other platform that can help me to create a rental website, which is this week's website. And all you need to do is to simply sign up and click the create new site button on the top right corner and click use Wix editor. Then you will be able to be directed on this page and just select here setup without chat in here. Then it will ask you what type of website you want to create and just simply enter here house rental. And at this point, I'm just going to select here this vacation home rental agency. Then proceed by clicking the continue button in here. And upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page or the dashboard of our website in here. And it will show you on this pop-up window that you can start inputting the details, including the name of your business in here and even the address. For example, I'm going to enter the name house for piece. Then click the continue button below to proceed. And after that, you could also enter here the working hours, including the days and also the time in here. Then just proceed by clicking the continue button below to proceed. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply add here the services. By simply checking these boxes, it will automatically add as a services in your website. Click the continue button to proceed. Now the next thing is to simply add here a stop or member, where you could also enter their email address in here, but that is just only an optional. And now the next thing is you need to simply enter here what else do you want to do with your business. We're going to enter here offer a virtual session, accept online payments, and many more. And after that, you are now all set to click the continue to dashboard button in here. And after that, from here, we can set up other details including our payment methods or how we get paid by clicking this getting paid button on the left side panel. And from here, we can start connecting or setting up our payment methods. And it will show us in here the option that we can do. We have here PayPal and manual payments as an option. So you can simply click the connect button to proceed. And aside from that, you could also navigate this booking calendar where you can track here all of the booking from the website. And it will show you in here all of the activity and the analytics as well. Now aside from booking calendar, you could also navigate here on the left side panel the option of catalog where you could also add another kind of services in here that you prefer. Or even edit the services that is already in here by clicking this edit button and filling out all of the required information in here. Now moving on, aside from that, to proceed editing or customizing the website, just simply go back to this homepage and click the design site button on the top right corner. And from here, just click this pick a template button in here to proceed. And after that, all you need to do from here is to simply choose here which kind of template do you prefer to edit and click this edit button to proceed. Then you will be directed in here. And it will show you in the left side panel some of the editing tools that we can start navigating, such as to add elements in here, add a section, pages and menu, site design, add apps and many more. And let's say we're going to click this add elements in here where we can start adding here an image, button, strip, decorative. But just proceed by clicking the site pages and menu where we can start creating here a booking page that will be directed our customer from WordPress to this website Wix. And to do that, just click this add pages in here to start creating or adding a page. And in this pop-up window, just simply enter here this booking section. Then clicks add Wix bookings. And upon clicking on it, it will show you in here that it is currently adding the Wix bookings. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, it will show you in here the result of the booking pages. So if you're now done customizing these services, you can now proceed by clicking the publish button on the top right corner. You could also click this manage services if you also want to start managing the dashboard and all of the services that it offers on your bookings. Now under this booking services, this is basically what all of the service looks like. But now to proceed, just click the publish button once again on the top right corner. And now click this view site button to start viewing the result of our website. And in here, just click this book online pages to be directed on the booking page. So this is basically the page where a customer can book online of their house rental. So just copy the link of this one and proceed by going to our Wix website in here. And on this button, just simply paste here the URL or the link. And after linking the booking page of our Wix website to this WordPress, when a customer tries to click the book now button, they will be able to be directed on the page or our booking page in here in our WordPress where they can start clicking the book now button for the services that they prefer to book or the houses that they want to book in here. And now if you're now done, just click the publish button on the top right corner to publish our WordPress website in here. But overall, that is just basically how to make a house rental website with WordPress. Thank you.